On the Healthwatch tonight, many college students, experience symptoms of depression, but a new study out of Australia finds that simply changing what they eat could really make a difference. Dr. Mallika Marshall is here. Doctor, first of all, how does an unhealthy diet affect food?
So previous research has shown that poor diets, so diets that are high in fat and high in sugars, have been associated with depression. So this is one of the first controlled trials that they've done with young adults that found that eating healthier could actually improve their mood. So what they did was they looked at almost 80 college students with moderate depression, and they had a poor diet. And they found that when the students ate a healthier diet, things like fruits and vegetables and whole grains and lean proteins, if they did it for 3 weeks, their depressive symptoms improved significantly. And they found that if they could stick to the diet for 3 months, that they maintained a happier outlook on life.
Is it just as simple as we start to feel good about ourselves that we're doing the right thing?
Well, and there might be some chemical changes in the brain too.
Okay. While moms are often their own toughest critics, new research from Iowa State finds moms judge other moms just as harshly. And doctor, you're a mom. Do you agree with this? Are moms judging other moms?
They are. Moms are very judgy. And
Really?
I'd like to hope that I'm not that judgmental. I feel like I became a much more understanding mom once I became a mom myself. But researchers surveyed more than 500 working and stay-at-home moms, and they found that moms were most critical of what were called sort of ideal or lazy moms. In fact, some moms admitted that they would treat a lazy or ideal mother poorly by doing things like excluding her or arguing with her or verbally attacking her.
Wow.
And they say many moms feel like they're not living up to the standards of what being a mom should be. And for them to draw criticism from other mothers, it can make them feel isolated, depressed, and anxious. So they say moms really need to cut that out, that they really should see each other as allies. And when they meet other mothers for the first time, try to find a common connection and focus more on sort of making that connection and less on being judgmental.
This blows my mind. I felt like, you know, you're all in it together and that you all have
You'd be
sort of
surprised. It
respect.
starts when you're pregnant.
Really?
People come up to pregnant mothers and say some really insensitive things, so we should cut it out.
In our teas, we called it the Mom Wars. That sounds really significant.
Sounds like a new movie.
Yikes. All right. Mom Wars coming to a theater near you.